So hey guys, welcome back to the channel of Be10x and I hope you all are doing really well. So in the last some of the videos, we have used AI to increase our efficiency or integrated ChatGPT with Microsoft Teams or UiPath to make our workflow easier. But today I am going to teach you that how you can use AI to turn your images into anime, cartoon or 3D animation style. And you can use this to show off to your friends and you can use their images to make them look like Pixar characters or 3D animation style videos that you might have seen on Disney animations or something. And also you can use it for getting clients and creating those videos without doing any efforts. And also if you want to learn more about these kind of AI tools, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees. The link is in the description and more details are given ahead in the video. So let's start the video.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
So if you want to convert your images from this to this, or you want that your images should look something like these, the results that I am showing you, so we'll be using an AI called Lensgo AI. So you just simply need to go on Google and write lensgo.ai. So you'll get on this homepage where it says make all your wonders visual, Lensgo, and you can see there are already various different options like create images, animate videos, training and models, restyle photos or remix videos, and also a lot more. So we'll be using this AI to get our desired results. So to use this website, we first need to create a user account, which is completely free. So just click on login and create your account. And to access the image section, we can either click on the restyle photo thumbnail or select create image from the left menu. And now we are in the dashboard. In the left, we have access to presets such as anime, fantasy, 3D and more for image transformation. In the image dimension section, we can adjust the image aspect ratio settings a bit lower. In the number of images section, we can specify the number of images for each generation. Further down, there is a text box to enter the prompt. With the upload image button, we can upload and modify desired images. And I'll click on the upload image button, select an image from the hard drive and upload it now. And in the model section, I choose a preset, for example Pixar style, to make the image resemble the 3D animation of that company. In the number of images section, I set the number of images for this generation to 4. In the prompt section, I type words like cinematic, highly detailed, and then click the start button. So while the images are being generated, I just want to have a small talk with you. Nowadays you all might know that AI has taken over the world in just a short span of time, and we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And I believe that you don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, I can assure you that AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will surely. So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill yourself, increase your productivity and also enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description now. So now our images are generated and let's continue the video ahead. I'll click on the images to review them and view them in a larger size. And below each image, if you see, there is an icon that can be used for free image downloads. And I'll try another style from the model section. I'll choose vintage comic characters and click the start button. After a short while, images with the new styles are generated. We can also make significant changes to the images in this prompt section. For example, to create a smile on the character face, I enter the word smile, and for changes in the weather, I enter the word rain and the storm in the prompt section and click the start button. And after a short while, images are generated based on the prompts, and now you can download the desired images for free. So just like images, you can also use this tool to animate your videos, and you can make these videos really stunning and beautiful. You just need to get the right prompts for yourself and also the right knowledge about what you want to get done from the AI, because it's the most important task. That is why I recommended you using our AI tools workshop. And also I've used another AI tool such as Leonardo AI that we have used in the past, but the results of Lensgo AI are really good. And why I'm saying that Leonardo AI is not that great, because I use Leonardo AI for myself and I use it on my own images. So if you see these images on the screen, I've used various different styles to do it. So the first one is an anime pastel dream, the model that I have used. The other one is Dream Shaper V7. The third one is 3D animation style, where you see I can get something sort of a Pixar character. The fourth one is also 3D animation style, but it's the same. In the Leonardo diffusion, it has just tweaked with my nose images. And also in the Leonardo diffusion, the first one, the prompt is so simple that it has done nothing to the image. So that is the thing about using the AIs, that you need to know the exact right prompt that you want for the image. But Leonardo AI has a good element to it, that you can use the prompt generation method over here to use it for your own good, like the way you want to know that this is what I want to generate. So it can suggest you a prompt for yourself. But with the Lensgo AI also, you can try and experiment if you want, and it's on your choice, whatever suits you best. And also, using Leonardo AI or Lensgo AI, you can impress your family and friends by not telling them what you use, by just showing these images to them, right? So if you want, you can give it a try, and it would be really interesting to show off your friends and family that how you can use this amazing AI to just show them with just a click that, see, this is how you look in a picture character or a 3D animation style. So guys, that is it for this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, and also drop a comment if you have any doubts, and also don't forget to subscribe Be10x. And do remember, we have an AI tools workshop that is just available for 9 rupees, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.